Welcome to readit.info, the interactive website with lessons in reading, writing, and grammar. Readit.info offers a quiz for each lesson to ensure a valuable learning experience worth your time. In this reading lesson, we will be learning the Q-U sound. K, on, O-N, on. But, B-U-T, but. Plum, P-L-U-M, plum. Quick, Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Quiz, Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Squid, S-Q-U-I-D, squid. Two, T-O, two. Do, D-O, do. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Congratulations on completing the lesson. Now challenge yourself by filling out the quiz below. For more lessons and quizzes, visit readit.info. Thank you.